Hello, fellow freelancers. Lately, job applications have become very, very different. And I can say this as an agency too. Finding clients has become very, very different. Anyway, I've covered a lot recently in terms of translators and how to use AI for other stuff in terms of helping to find jobs and stuff like that, including creating a cover letter so you don't have to always send the same cover letter to every single job you're applying for. Now, this is whether you're looking for an office job or for a freelancing job or what have you. And anyway, one of the people I was talking to about this recently suggested that I just create a generator. They said it would be really great to have a generator. And I was thinking, well, I walk through how to, what prompts to use and how to use it in different situations enough that I could probably create a generator. And I can't because I'm not tech savvy enough, but I contacted someone who is tech savvy enough and we worked together and we came up with this generator. And so here's the page for it. And it's very straightforward. You enter in your information and it spits out a cover letter that you can use for that caters to your experience and to that specific job. So actually, without any further ado, let's get into it and I can show you exactly how it works so you can see. So when you get in here, this is what you see. And as you can see, you can create this cover letter for a specific job or just in terms of cold outreach. Let's try this for a specific job and we'll fill in my name, target company here. Let's look for a job posting actually. Here we are. I'm just on LinkedIn looking at jobs that are close to me and I'm in Florence right now. So this is what popped up. So here we have a bunch of jobs. Let's see what we want to apply for. How about this? Deal strategy senior consultant forensic one, whatever that means. So anyway, here we take the company name and we enter it here, target company. Then we take the name of the job that we're applying for, the role you're targeting, I should say, and just paste that in. And then last thing, the actual job posting. There we go. And here you want to paste your CV. So let's do that. Pasted that there. And here you can add preferences. I put as examples EU passport based in Florence, prefer client facing, whatever it might be. I say I want to be based in Italy. I think this is already based in Italy, I'm assuming. But anyway, something like that. And then here you can choose your tone. Professional, warm, confident, direct. Let's do warm because why not? And that's it. And there we go. So I'm not going to read the whole thing, but as you can see, it comes up with a cover letter here that is catered not only to the job but to my specific resume, and then later I can tweak it as I wish. Now the other option is a cold outreach, and here it's pretty much the same information. In fact, it retains it, and you can add what you know about the company, etc., and you can do different tones once again, and that's how it works. So feel free to check out the link and what you can do with this cover letter generator. Now I should explain a couple of things of how it works. First of all, you do have to pay for it. This because I have to pay for it. I'm using the Claude API in order to do this, and it does cost me a little bit for each query. Otherwise, you can apply for as many jobs as you want. It'll create all the cover letters you want. I would love to hear any feedback you might have because this is quite a new thing, and I'm curious to see how it works. And but otherwise, yeah, enjoy it, and I hope it works out well. And definitely, if it helps you find a job, I'd definitely like to hear about that. But otherwise, that's it, and I'll talk to you next time. Savedum.
Everyone's using AI. But don't panic. Here's what I learned. AI won't replace you. It amplifies you. AI is your eager intern. For job searches, resume writing, and much, much more. AI for professionals and entrepreneurs shows you how. 71% of employers now prefer AI experience. Get prompts, templates, and workflows. Work with AI, not against it. Available now on Amazon. Stop panicking. Start thriving.